Okay, what we're about to do is we're going to have a long ongoing project where we have a friendly competition to see who can be worth the most imaginary money. So I'm going to give you an imaginary $1,000. So you've got $1,000 to invest imaginarily. And right now what we're going to do, you're on week 0 and you're just deciding what you're going to buy and how you're going to buy it. You want to go to google.com/finance. And what I'm going to say is when you get there, you want to find no more than 5 stocks. If you want to do a little less than 5, like you can do that, but let's keep it simple and say don't go invest in like 13 stocks. Let's say less than 5 companies. So when you go to google.com/finance, you will see something like this. When you get there, you want to look up your company that you're interested in. Now you're going to go do some research and decide which ones you want to buy. What I'm going to say is it always lands you on the 1-day graph. Don't make all your decisions based on what happened today. What you want to look at is something that's a little more long term, like a month or a year, because we're going to track this probably at least 6 weeks, 8 weeks, so you don't want to just worry about today. You want to worry about kind of a longer term type of thing. Oh, that was scary. So you want to go look and make your decisions. Now, I'm not saying that you have to buy Nike stock. You're going to go research and make good decisions, but if you do want Nike stock, then you're going to say you're investing in Nike. You're going to give me the symbol. The symbol is right there. Then price per share. The price per share is $67.96. Whatever your company says. This is the part where you have to make a decision. That's all the stuff you can look up. Now you decide how many shares you want of that. You cannot buy 100 shares because that would be $6,700 and you don't have that much money. You only have $1,000 to spend. But you could buy 2, you could buy 3. Now then here, you're going to do some math. Actually, you're going to make the Excel spreadsheet do some math. So don't don't get out your calculator. Make this be your calculator. You want, if you bought this many of them for that price each, how much money is that? And you're going to, make Excel do your math for you. So, for example, if I bought 3, right? If I bought 3 shares and I'm up to 200. If I wanted to buy 5 shares, I could do that. If I wanted to buy 10 shares, that runs me almost out of money because I only had $1,000. Right? So you're going to say, go find some companies. For simplicity, we're going to keep it less than 5 or less, so you don't invest in like the entire stock market. But you're going to go find the companies that you want to invest. You're going to spend $1,000 of imaginary money. Now, so if you come up with a little less than 1,000, then you're going to put the rest of it in cash, as that's cash that's sitting around just waiting on you. So once you've done that, then the only other thing here is you need this portfolio value. That portfolio value should be the sum of these cells here. If you add all that up, that is what you're worth. And you want to make Excel do that math for you. And so once you've picked your stocks, you filled in all these blank cells, and you filled in this cell with some math, then you are done and you have spent your original investment, and then we are going to sit and watch it grow and come back and check on your value.